Sanbonani, welcome back to ZuluMama, where we celebrate the beauty, wisdom, and traditions of the Zulu kingdom. Today, we are talking about something very special, the responsibilities of a boy in a traditional Zulu homestead. In a Zulu family, a boy is raised to understand that he is a future protector of the home. He is taught bravery, discipline, and respect because one day he will stand as a pillar for his family. From a young age, boys are told, indoda yinhloko yekhaya. A man is the head of the household. This doesn't mean dominance. It means responsibility, leadership, and service. One of the biggest responsibilities is heading cattle. Cattle are sacred in Zulu culture. They represent wealth, stability, ancestry, and family legacy. So a boy learns how to guide cattle to graze, how to protect them from danger, how to identify different cows, and how to use induku or iwisa for guidance and not to harm. This is where boys learn patience, alertness, and maturity. So boys also assist with gathering the woods, bayaqanda, badonsa igodo ezinkulu ehlathini. They also assist with fixing fences, helping build crawls, isbaya, learning how to structure huts, carrying heavy tasks around the house. They watch older men and learn through doing because Zulu tradition values actions over words. Zulu boys grow through mentorship. Fathers, uncles, and grandfathers teach them skills such as stick fighting, kushayenduku, hunting, farming, how to conduct themselves as respectful young men, how to speak with confidence without disrespect. This is where character is shaped. It is not just physical training, it is teaching a boy how to become a man of honor. Respect is at the heart of everything. A boy learns to greet elders properly, avoid interrupting adults, sit or stand appropriately depending on who is present, use polite language, show humility and gratitude. Respect is seen as a sign of good upbringing. Ultimately, all these responsibilities prepare a boy for leading his own family one day, managing cattle and land, protecting his household, participating in cultural ceremonies, understanding the value of work, community, and unity. A boy raised with Zulu teachings grow up knowing who he is, where he comes from, and what he stands for. Zulu traditions are not just rules, they are a foundation for shaping strong, respectful, and responsible young men. If you enjoyed learning about the responsibilities of a boy in a Zulu homestead, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for watching and stay tuned for more beautiful teachings of Zulu culture, history, and language with me, ZuluMama. Ngiyabonga, nisale kahle.